Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at how you can create a cut down from a longer video into a shorter one to share on social media. So what we're looking at today is going to be perfect for somebody who has a main channel for their content like YouTube or Twitch, and they want to share content from that channel on other social media platforms in order to grow. Now when we talk about making a cut down from longer content, we usually say things like get the most engaging pieces from that content, make the most exciting pieces and create a small video out of it. I mean, while that is true, you also need a little bit of structure to the video. You can't just go grabbing, oh, get this helicopter shot, get this drone shot, oh, get this epic guy of somebody snowboarding. If there's no story to the video, then it's just not going to be as engaging for the viewer, no matter how amazing the actual shot is that you're sharing. So what we're going to look at today is creating a little bit of a story from your longer content. So just for an example, we're going to use this Red Bull video about the British climbing champion Shauna Coxey. So I've created a couple of cut downs from this video, each with a slightly different approach, and I've tried to keep them around 15 seconds. And that's purely because on social media, people have shorter attention spans. So it's good to keep things quick and snappy and keep them engaged for that short amount of time, which is, hard enough as it is. So for this first video, it almost has a three-part structure. So the first part is having a couple of quick shots to grab people's attention, then have a section that is actually explaining what the video is about or what the video is kind of going to be. And for the final section, it's always good to have something like a cliffhanger moment, like a, ooh, what happens next kind of moment. So it's pretty easy to do in Kamua. Once you've loaded your shots in, you can just scroll down, hover over them to preview them, and select which shots you want. So I selected these shots here for the first part. Then I looked for some shots that would explain the video a little bit.
Hi, my name is Shauna Coxey and I'm a professional climber, and this is my backyard training setup.
Usually there's some good content round about the beginning of the video for that, because people usually give a bit of an intro on what the video is going to be about. So that's always a good place to look. And then for the final part, which I wanted as a cliffhanger, I just scrolled down as much as I could to try and find something that had a little bit of a what happens next feeling to it.
Oh, you called that then.
And then once I'd added the shots in, I went back, did a little bit of trimming just to keep everything snappy and to the point, and also to try and keep it around about the 15-second mark. And then I brought in this overlay that we've created, which, as you can see, it says watch full video, link in description. And there we go, first video done. Let's take a look.
My name is Shauna Coxey and I'm a professional climber, and this is my backyard training setup. Oh, you called that then.
Okay, so let's take a look at the next video. So the approach I was going for with this one was to have something that was a little bit more intriguing and not necessarily showing you all the main parts of the video. But what it does do is it sets up Shauna's character in the beginning, again with some shots that are more likely to grab your attention. It's similar kind of structure, and then it tells you a little bit about what the video is going to be, and then the same kind of cliffhanger moment at the end, if you like. I mean, it's kind of telling you that it is part of a series, or it's suggesting that it's part of a series because it has the title Backyard at the end. So pretty much the same process again, and then I used a different overlay this time which says YouTube link in bio instead of link in description, because some apps and sites don't offer that option. And this is the result.
The most successful climber in British history and a two-time bouldering World Cup champion.
So we actually bought this house because of the basement conversion, so we could make it into a training space.
So which one did you think was the better cut down? Let us know in the comments. I'll also be doing a follow-up video showing how we can get those two from landscape to square and also portrait. And if you like this video and you want to see that next one, give us a subscribe, hit the bell icon so you get notified for it. Also, like the video if you like it, and we'll see you in the next one.